Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, to start this week off, the Australian dollar still remains relatively bullish, and since the call from last week's bullish divergence, the market has progressed higher, and as you can see, has reached its first objective of 75.5 and now looks towards the next target of 76.25. Since rebounding off the 11-month low of 74.11, the market has responded quite positive, and from the technical implications from the histogram and also from the stochastic, does suggest that we are looking for further gains to the start of this week, with the range seen of 0565 and then on towards 76.25, and from there I view as a potential fresh short position. Reason behind that is the fact is I feel the market will turn around from the 76 mark and look back down towards the 11-month low, as I mentioned, of around 73.75 is where the current base holds for the Australian dollar. The double top reversal, which was called recently from the mark of around 125, took the support out at 121.80 and last week reached its objective of 118 after printing a low of 22. With a bullish correction now in play, and also to the fact is that the dollar index has retreated from the highs seen of 93.24, which was briefly a 6-month high. It does support the fact that euro can actually go higher and look towards the region of 120.35.45 before turning around. The support on the day seen at 118.90 and with a base now forming around 118 figure. Towards the region of 120.35.45, I would look to shorten this market, as I believe that we will see another down test and the bullish US dollar recaptures its momentum and takes on a further challenge. This would support the bearish euro eventually, but first we've got a correction in play. The dollar yen, after a number of times, fails towards that 109.70 level, and from the retreat now sets up for a move sub 109, looking towards 108.70 to 108.15.20. And I believe from there is a buy zone, and I do expect to see a re-challenge to the top side, eventually taking out the 109 level and looking up towards 110 to 111. Still, the pound is showing little direction as the market still trades sideways above the 134.60 area. At present, as long as we maintain above 134.65.70, then I expect to see further recovery eventually towards 136 to 137. The market, it's from a technical point, is increasingly forming a potential bullish rally. So therefore, I do expect to see the market test higher. With gold still maintaining this bullish stance and breaking above the histogram here, as you can see from the MACD, does support a further bullish case. The objective since rebounding from the bullish foundations of 1,300 looks towards 1,326 to 33 and reassess from there. But nevertheless, from the technical point, the market is still relatively firm. Rounding off with oil were the 72 level caps from Friday, and actually saw a dollar fall towards the region of 70.5 now. I view the market's found a top and looking for a further pullback, which could see the falls towards $66 a barrel with $64 beneath there. Any advances should give opportunity to shorten the market. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed the new start to the great new week.